After that big storm we all experienced earlier this week, it turns out many people in the foothills are still without power. We have been talking with Marlene in Pleasant Valley, who just late tonight did get power back on in her home. But before then, she had been relying on a generator. And we spoke to her tonight while she waited and hoped her power would be restored. Take a listen.
Hello.
Hi, is this Marlene?
Yes, it is.
Following the latest storm, Marlene Post and her husband Danny lost power in their Pleasant Valley home for 2 days.
We lost power Monday night at about 8:15.
These are photos Marlene took of her snow-covered home, including of a large tree that fell on their roof and others that fell around the property.
It's not even safe to walk outside because the snow is coming out of the trees now and some of it's frozen. And you get hit on the head, it's like, you should be wearing a hard hat.
More than 48 hours later, hundreds of people in the Placerville area are still without power.
I know they want to get the power back on, but Tuesday morning when we saw how much damage in the daylight was just here on our property and our road, I'm like, the power's going to be out a week. If the whole county looks like this, we're going to be lucky to have power in a week.
You can see all those fallen trees there. And again, she and her husband do have power as of late tonight. Her biggest piece of advice to people is to make sure you have a backup generator for situations like this. Also, you saw that map there. Many people in the area are still waiting to get power. And on top of that, we know more wet weather is on the way yet again. We will have Monica's forecast a little later in the show.